Look, he's breaking into the machine as people are passing by. Alright, how is it? Is it bad?
It's bad.
Oh my god, it's actually open this time.
Literally, the guy was sitting down and then he just kept on like scoping, looking at the place.
Oh really?
Yeah, he kept looking around just for like a second.
What the? Baby? What are you doing in there?
What?
What are you doing in there?
Nothing.
Hold on. Baby, what are you doing? What's wrong?
I'm upset.
Why?
Cause, guys, I don't know. I woke up this morning, the manager at one of my locations, he texted me and he was like, hey Jaime, I'm sorry, but I got some bad news. Me and the guys came into work this morning and we saw that somebody broke into your soda machine. It looks like they drilled out the lock and they broke the coin changer things. I'm not sure if they took money, but it looks like they did. You might want to come down here ASAP.
What are you gonna do now? How did you even get in here?
That's besides the point. The point is that somebody broke into one of our soda machines. Can you win me out? Watch out my face.
I'm trying to get you out.
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because as you guys saw, we're not. Yes, it is true. Somebody broke into one of my vending machines. It completely sucks. So if you guys remember, about 1 year ago, we put a soda machine outside of a tire shop, and in that video, I was joking around and I was like, I give it a few months before somebody actually comes and breaks into the machine or steals the machine, and surprisingly it lasted a little bit longer than that. But honestly, it was about time that something happened to the machine, especially during these times. I'm not sure exactly what happened to the machine. All I know is that somebody broke into it. I don't know if they took the money, if they left some money. I hope they did at least.
If anything, I think you jinxed yourself.
Why?
Nobody actually thought that they were gonna steal it.
After we go and check out the machine, we're gonna be able to see if these thieves, these robbers were good or bad, cause what?
So we're gonna rate them?
No, it's because whenever some people break into machines, like they get straight to the point, they take the money, they leave. But others, they're like, they just want to mess with you. They take the money and they also break like the coils, they break all the parts just to like mess with you.
Yeah, that's mean.
Yeah. But I don't know what's gonna happen. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If y'all do, drop a like to like help, you know, pay for the machine. And let's go and let's check out the machine.
Do you fit?
I can't fit. Oh my god. The only thing I'm gonna take is a brand new bill acceptor and also a coin mech. Cause again, he told me they broke into one of these. I'm not sure exactly which one, so I'm gonna replace the parts.
Shouldn't we take a new lock too?
Oh, a new lock too.
Bruh.
He told me that the machine still works, like they're still using it.
What?
Which is weird. He said that it takes quarters and everything, except bills. That's why I think they broke the bill machine. Guys, y'all have no idea how cold it is in Texas. Like, it's what, 20 degrees outside?
Yes.
It's actually supposed to snow tomorrow, which is crazy. Look at this. Look how icy that is.
Damn.
Alright, y'all, so we're pulling up to the location right now. I see the machine. Guys, I'm so nervous. I'm ready. I mean, it looks fine, but y'all can't see it, but they did break into the lock. It looks like they drilled it out or something. I don't know.
Let's go check it out.
Ready to go cry?
Did you bring a tissue, baby?
I can use this. I can use this.
You should be wearing that. You got this, baby.
You know, I don't think I can do this. I can't.
Baby, come on. It's either now or later. Or never.
I can't do it.
You got this, baby.
I can't.
You knew this was gonna happen.
I can't. It's like my baby. That's my baby right there. Somebody came in the middle of the night and just like killed them, basically. All right, guys. So check it out. They deadass broke into it.
Wow.
Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I thought it was gonna be a lot worse than this. I thought the whole front was gonna be broken and everything.
Shoot, that's what I would have done.
But look, the screen doesn't work. It looks like they tried breaking into the coin chutes. The lock, they broke into it hella weird. Like whoever did this obviously does not know how to break into a vending machine. They could have easily, I'm not gonna say, never mind. I was about to say how easily to break into a machine, but I can't say that. The question is though, does it take dollar bills? What do you want?
Give me a water.
There's no way it works, right?
Bruh.
Oh, and it gives you the change. Alright guys, so this is Mo. You guys remember him from the first time we came and dropped off the machine. So, what's up, Mo? I mean,
Man, unfortunately, man, we had this crackhead, man, that came at night, middle of the night, broke into the machine, man. They don't got nothing better else to do, I guess.
it looks like they broke into the lock, but then also the door, which is weird. I think they tried the door first, and then they couldn't get it open, so they went for the lock. I would fix it, but then what if they break it again?
Yeah. Maybe put a cage on there or something, man.
Yeah,
Trying to see what they might break it off with the, I don't know, Sawzall or something.
Alright guys, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the machine out from the outside. We're gonna be bringing in a combo machine. It's gonna go over there in the corner. He's already telling us the drinks that he wants. But yeah, I guess that's the plan. So hopefully next weekend we'll come in.
Yes, sir.
Ooh,
We good?
you look really good.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Boy, y'all are not gonna believe it. Like, I dead ass cannot make this up. It's been like 2 or 3 days since we went to that location that they broke into the machine, and 3 days later, guess what happened again?
What?
They broke into the machine
No
again.
way.
It happened again. The same machine, same location, probably the same person. Who knows? And this time, they caught them on camera. You know
Really?
How, yeah, you know how last time they couldn't get the footage?
Yeah.
This time they got him on footage. So we're gonna be going back to that location. We're gonna see who did it, how they did it, and sadly we're gonna have to take out the machine. And hopefully in the next couple days we'll go back and drop off a machine. But I can't believe they broke into again. They're probably passing by and they were like, damn, like they didn't take it out. Might as well break into it again. Okay everyone, so just like I said, we are taking the machine out. We're gonna try to fit it in the van. I don't know if it's gonna be able to fit. You think it will?
No, we're not.
How are we gonna put the machine in?
Well, you can just put all those stuff in the front.
Alright, how is it? Is it bad?
It's bad.
Oh my god, it's actually open this time. It's weird because they were able to get through the front door, but not through the back one. Look. Like the second door that goes into the drinks, it's like locked. Because the lock is still in there.
Yeah.
They only opened up the front door, but still, like, that's where the money's at.
Yeah.
Wait, you know what? You know what I just realized?
What?
They took the money, right? But they put the bill except their bag.
Did they really grab it? You think they really grabbed it?
Well, unless they just took it out of the top.
Yeah, that had to be it.
They took the coin mech.
What?
Look.
Oh my god.
At least they like actually unplugged it. They didn't just rip out the cable, because if not, it would have like broke the cable that goes into the board. But they actually like unplugged it. You think it was
Take two.
This is the second time, and it was like we came last week, right?
Yeah.
You think it was the same person or no?
It probably could have broke because he was sitting right here. Literally, the guy was sitting down, and then he just kept on like scoping, looking at the place.
Oh really?
Yeah, he kept looking around just for like a second. And then he got up, or I know he put his hand somewhere right here. But
Yeah.
It wasn't close enough.
So
Was there only one person?
There's only one person.
Wow.
the footage might be kind of hard to see because the camera's so far away, but at least we kind of can see how they did it.
They even bothered to pick up all the coins from the floor.
Yeah, because there was a lot. like,
Yeah.
there was a lot in the bottom.
So this is 2:32, 2:33 a.m., 2:57.
It was at 4 in the morning. Oh, there we go, there we go. Look at him, guys. And he's looking at the camera. Oh, no, he didn't. But he's looking around. This guy got straight to the point. He went to the machine and just already started breaking into it. Look. Look. He's like, I think he's trying to pry it open with something. Right there is where he got it, I think. Look, he's breaking into the machine as people are passing by. Oh, look, he stops for a second and of course goes straight into it again. I think he couldn't get it open, so he stops. Wait, what is he doing? He goes back. Yep, you can see he got the door open because you can see the light coming out of the machine. I was showing how there was like cars passing by, and he was just still prying it open. Yeah.
Ruthless, bro. Ruthless.
I mean, he must have really needed it.
Yeah, I mean that's what I'm saying. Like that's why I'm not that angry, because if somebody's doing all that work to break into like my machine to take, how much money was inside? Like $100 maybe.
Probably more, honestly.
Yeah, it was probably more. I'm trying to make it sound less, so I'm not that mad. But at the same time, like if he needed it that bad, then I guess you can have it, my guy. Now what?
Then
What?
I could just have money like that. So you're telling me
I mean,
don't have to work?
if you can break into one of my machines and go through all that work, then I guess you can have it.
Give me the key.
No, I'm just. I gotta say right now, I'm just playing before some of you guys take it serious. I'm just playing. So again, we're gonna end up taking out the machine today, and then tomorrow we might come back and drop off a different one. But this time we're gonna be putting it inside. We're gonna be having the machine right here. I'm gonna have some competition with this candy machine, but it's all right. It's all right, you know. Share the profits with the other vendor. Yeah, the bill accept is not even on. At least the credit card reader still works. Damn, I did all the work.
What?
Damn, Giselle, I'm sorry.
You owe me a new
I'm
thing.
sorry, I'll buy you a brand new
fucking-
truck. I'll buy you a brand new truck.
Buy me one.
No, like deadass, I know how that feels. Like, I'm sorry, like for real.
Nah, you good.
Like, damn.
good.
Guys, say I'm sorry in the comments.
You good, bro.
Oh my god. I mean,
Don't show
just
him. My
only-
mom's gonna say something. My mom's gonna see this shit.
Your mom watches my videos?
Yes.
Oh,
My dad last time was sitting with Axel just watching y'all's videos.
bro.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, suegra. Alright everyone, so it's been about a couple weeks now, and that's pretty much all that happened. We came back home, we put the machine in the garage. It's actually been sitting there for the last couple weeks. I haven't fixed it yet because I've been kind of busy, but we did go back to the tire shop and we put a combo machine inside the building, and it's been there for the last couple weeks, and so far nobody has broken into the machine, so that's good. Going back to the machine that they broke into, I still have no idea what to do with it. Like, do I fix it and then put it back on location, or do I just sell it? Let me know, what do you guys think? But anyways, before I end the video, I know I haven't posted a bunch of videos the last couple weeks and months. If you guys remember, a couple videos ago I did mention that I was going to be starting a brand new snack business, and basically, long story short, I did launch that business, and 2 days after I did that, I completely sold out of every single item. It's been crazy. I've been so busy the last couple weeks. Like, I'm actually not lying. Every single day from the time I wake up to the time I go to bed, I've been packing orders every single day. I go to the post office, ship out the orders, and that's pretty much it. I haven't had much time to do anything else. And even though I'm so happy that everything's sold out, I'm also kind of upset because I was so excited to share this new business with you guys and have you guys go and buy some snacks off the website. But right now, everything on the website is completely sold out. And real quick, you guys might actually be able to see some of the items behind me on the shelf, but most of those items are sold out. I think I only have a couple of drinks and chips on the website right now. But also at the same time, don't worry, I have been filming a couple things already. Like for example, I did film my very first reaction whenever we launched on day 1. So you guys will be able to see that. As well as me packing some orders for some customers. I feel like it's pretty fun. If you guys want to see a full video about, you know, just packing orders and what a day in the life looks like of running a online Shopify store, then let me know down below. But anyways, I should be receiving a bunch of product this week coming in, so as soon as I get more product, I will be making a full video about it and show you guys everything that I've done. So if you guys want to stay up to date, go follow the Instagram page. It's gonna be at Exotic World Official. I will have it down below. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace out.